Hey, to set video as a wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G, first you have to open the settings. Now you have to scroll down and move to the themes, then select wallpapers at the bottom, and now at the top, click on the top, select all and select free. Then click on this and select the video phrase or input video phrase. Now as you can see, we can find all video wallpapers that you can quickly apply for free. And we got some different animations that looks like this, but also we can get the video. For example, this time lapse of the sea. So if you want to get this kind of the wallpaper, click to download. Now just wait for it and click apply. And as you can see, this is actually the preview, how your screen is going to look. So you have to click done and you will actually quickly apply it. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.